said netiga kordada.
Pulling up in a sea at a beefer, looking for Kent, I'm here to beat ya. JD in the driver's seat, going sick on the bend, I'm sick on the beat. And the birds out wanna flame me on repeat. Come suck my dick and then I'll retreat. You said that you loved me, you met me once, I went straight for dessert, so I skipped the lunch. Spin a quick verse, I'm a lyric machine. Know me and the team, I run in the streets. And when I drop bars, go sick on the beat, go sick on the rhythm, I'm bringing the heat. I know that I flow the best, I got random birds that I show the rest. And then when I go sick, there ain't no contest, no Fortnite ting, but I open a chest.
Rip up the mic and I'm back again. Then I'm on the back wheel of a KTM. Me and my boys were going grafting, and we're all locked out creeping for your Ken. I seen a key for an RS3. Me and my boys we scrammed it easy. Put my foot to the floor, but we're gone. Not coming back. Drive the roads like an F1 track with the West Roy boys, and we do it like that. Check that, get back. Ripping on the mic and I'm sounding fat. Check that.
BD 18 to the BD 10. If I see a nice car, I'm a breed at Ken. I'm chilling on Sandon Drive, oh wait, I'm chilling on West Roy Drive.
Out tonight and we're raiding Kens, and we're taking cars like Mercedes-Benz, and I'm going sideways at 5 linens and I'm 1880 round every bend. I'm powered kissing my arse end. Put my belt on and I try to blend, and then the blues come on and I begin to send. This piece chase, yeah, it's about to end. Then I swerve a car, then I swerve a bus, and then I take the corner like Garner was. Chick D's on the mic and my bars are flush. Chick D's on the mic and my bars are flush.
kuidas läks?
kehvasti, Tann juba tegi sohki ja tegi kiirema aja.
I'm a kickback, they got a split rap to be send shots, I'm a hit back, cause I never risk that. And now I got a move to choose, do it by some hits or an ounce of blues. Either way, we jump in a whiplash tunes, MC then cruise, cause that's how we do. It's the Bradford crew. I don't fight that much, so I fuck that shit. But if you send chaps, I will duck that shit. Make pure bangers and I cook that shit. And if come for the scrap, got banged or shit. Speedos, don't pass the last number. You want in beef, I've come to confront you. You might catch me on a PCX. I've been writing bars, I'ma heat the decks. And then I wanna go sick on a beat and repeat. And I'm down for the beef when I fight in the street. You know me and the 4-page gang. Linking the West Roy gang. Make that bang. On a house vibe, I'm back on the track. Got two bad beats there, sat in the back. To my gaff, I'm attacking the whack. I'm attacking the racking and building a stack. I drive cars but I don't have a license. If I see blue then I run from sirens. When I drop bars on the bench, you know, because I still make rhymes when the beat is silent. That's me, I begin to blend it. From my pipes up, I begin to sing.
Koht Sandra.
Naiste teine koht Hanna-Liis. Ja naiste klassi võitja oli Liisbet. Yeah!
Meeste poodiumit alustab 3. kohaga Tanel. Teine koht on Joosep. Ja selle ürituse pani kinni, Tartus kusjuures 5. kohalt tuli ette ja näitas kõigile, kuidas asjad teevad. 6. seal täna. Ja sellega kaasneb esikoha karikas Ken Kristjan. Sellest aastast on ka selline rändkarikas, kus on iga-aastased võitjad ja kõik asjad ja siis selle ennast tagasi.
See on iga aasta ainult korra või?
Jah.
I'm a kickback, they got a split fraps. If it send shots, I'm a hit back, cause I never risk that. And now I gotta move to choose, do it by some here's or announce the blues. Either way, we jump in a whip, blast tunes, MC, then cruise, cause that's how we do. It's the Bradford crew. I don't fight that much, so I fuck that shit. But if you send jabs, I will duck that shit. Make pure bangers and I cook that shit. And you come for the scrap, got banged or shit. Speedo's gone past the last number. You want in beef, I've come to confront you. You might catch me on a PCX. I've been writing bars, I'ma heat the decks. And then I wanna go sick on a beat and repeat.
Anna talle.